Hey guys, it's Jess from Wildfire, and today we're going to have a chat about hiking poles. Now, hiking poles are a dividing topic. Some people love them, some people hate them. On the surface, they may seem like a high-tech stick, but there's actually more to them than meets the eye. The first obvious benefit of hiking poles is the additional traction and balance you get from now having 4 points of contact on the ground. Hiking poles will significantly reduce the compression on your knees by up to 25 to 30%. So over a multi-day hike, that reduces the stress on your body significantly. Hiking poles also have a multitude of uses. If your tent pole breaks, you can use this to pitch your tent. If you're crossing a river, it can help you stay balanced and not fall in the water. If someone broke their leg, it can be used as a splint. So they're not just handy for walking with. If something goes wrong on trail, they can often come in handy. The main decision you'll have to make is whether to purchase a collapsible Z-pole, like this one, or a telescopic pole. Z-poles tend to be lighter and take up less space, but they're a bit more fiddly to deploy. Telescopic poles are less complicated, but they do take up more space. Another thing to consider is what the grip is made of. Some cheaper poles will use plastic handles that can rub and create blisters over time, whilst more expensive poles tend towards softer rubbers and natural cork. Once you're ready to hit the trail, you want to feed your hand up through the strap. It sits kind of around your wrist. Your thumb goes on one side and your fingers go on the other. Then you want the pole length to create a 90-degree angle with your arms. Once you feel like it's comfortable, you should be good, but I find once you're on trail, you might adjust the pole up or down a little bit to suit your personal preference. I'm sure you guys are all keen to get back out on trail. We have a huge range of hiking poles at Wildfire, so come down and say hi, come down, check them out, and we'll give you a hand.